If you're considering buying Quasi, a generative AI software for businesses, there are 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. Unlike other tools, Quasi promises to offer simplicity and efficiency, but how does it compare to competitors? Let's take a closer look. First thing, Quasi is designed specifically for businesses in Malta, offering features like automating online review acquisition, appointment booking, messaging, missed call follow-ups, invoicing, and more. This localized focus means it's tailored to meet the needs of Maltese business owners, making it stand out from broader, less region-specific competitors. Next thing, Quasi is built with simplicity in mind. Its interface is intuitive, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Some other tools can be complex and overwhelming, requiring long learning curves, but Quasi aims to make automation easy for everyone. The third thing to know is Quasi's automation capabilities. Whether it's sending follow-up messages or handling invoicing, Quasi takes care of the repetitive tasks so you can focus on what matters. Compared to other software that might require constant manual input, this level of automation could save your business a lot of time. The fourth thing is its pricing structure. Unlike many competitors who lock you into long contracts, Quasi offers a 7-day free trial with no commitment. This allows you to test the service before deciding, which is a huge advantage over software that forces you to pay up front or enter into lengthy agreements. The fifth thing to note is Quasi's support system. For businesses, customer support is crucial, and Quasi provides solid support options. If you run into trouble, help is readily available, unlike some competitors that can leave you waiting for responses. Next thing, Quasi focuses on integration. It works well with other business tools, which means you won't need to overhaul your entire system just to get it working. This flexibility makes it a good option compared to competitors that are more rigid in their integrations. The seventh thing is the ease of use. The software is simple to set up, with no complex installation required. While some tools need a dedicated IT team to get them running, Quasi aims to keep things straightforward for all users. The eighth thing to keep in mind is its scalability. As your business grows, Quasi grows with you. It's designed to accommodate both small businesses and larger enterprises, unlike some competitors that only cater to one size of business, making it a more versatile option. The ninth thing to note is Quasi's data security. In today's digital world, protecting business data is essential. Quasi offers strong security protocols to keep your information safe, making it a trustworthy option compared to some other software that has had data breaches in the past. The 10th thing is its reporting tools. Quasi allows you to track performance with built-in reports. Some other software requires third-party tools for analytics, but Quasi includes this right out of the box, making your life easier. Next, Quasi doesn't just offer automation, it provides a complete solution. Beyond just streamlining tasks, it helps your business grow by taking care of everything from messaging to invoicing, which is an advantage over tools that only focus on one or two aspects of business automation. The 12th thing to consider is Quasi's customer reviews. With positive feedback from Maltese business owners, it's clear that the tool is effective. While competitors may offer a broader set of features, Quasi's regional focus and tailored services have earned it a solid reputation. Overall, Quasi is a good option if you're a business owner in Malta looking for simplicity, efficiency, and automation. But if you want an even better solution, check out our recommended tool. You can try it for free with no strings attached and see for yourself how it compares.